What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm here with Alex Michaud with OASIS Landscape Group. And they got all kinds of stuff sitting here. So we're gonna go around and check everything out. So let's do it.
How's it going? My name's Alex Michaud. I have a company in Annapolis, Maryland. We specialize in landscape design and build. We have 9 field employees. We've got 1 designer on staff. And we just actually started into a dumpster division, which there's a couple dumpsters back there. And we have 1 driver for that truck. I'm 22 years old, started this business about 2 years ago, and been growing a lot the past 2 years, learning a lot. And here's a little bit of a walkthrough of my shop with Aiden. It was a pleasure making a video with him, and take a look at what we got. See ya. Everything's a complete mess right now, but this side of the yard, we keep the roll-off dumpsters, which we got a little video of my roll-off guy leaving. We have 1 dumpster back right now that needs to be dumped, and he was taking another one out of here with a load of brush. So this flatbed's so nice because Friday, so yesterday, my guy ran down to a job site where the guys left. They couldn't fit the machine in the trailer.
Whoa, whoa. Oh.
Well, this truck wasn't there. Light almost lit it on fire. Oh man. This is a bucket with old gas in it. Now it's gone. Alright, well we had a minor distraction. That's what we were. So this is the area for the dumpsters. I have the machines parked over here because my cousin's doing some work over there right now. Usually
he's doing some work.
So this is the flatbed for the international roll-off truck. It's really awesome. There's a harley rake, got grass up.
Yeah, look at that.
We got two buckets. So like if we're digging something out, we use the teeth. But if we're bringing material back to the yard, we use the bigger one. It really cuts the time in half almost. I love the flatbed because yesterday the guys were finishing a job up but didn't have room on the trailer to bring the machine back. So I just had the driver run down and grab this and haul it back here. So coming over this side, I got this sea container, which I'm trying to get everything organized here. Goal for this year is for no trips to the store. So this is the start of it. I'm gonna get a couple more shelves, but started to pick up some rags and trash bags, grease. But I'm gonna get sod staples. I got pencils, Sharpies. I'm gonna get bulk steel edge here. I got bulk pipe up top, and then bulk pipe fittings over this side.
And there's fabric up there too, isn't there?
Yeah, and fabric. Yep.
Got some salt back here, some extra fencing, just shovels, that kind of stuff, right?
Yep.
Irrigation.
Yeah, that's just a bunch of miscellaneous.
It's like a mini
stuff.
store.
Yep. And then here, this is our redneck pipe fitting setup for right now. But I'm just hanging. Oh, there goes one down. But I'm hanging up the 45s, 90s. There's the T's. But I'm gonna get bulk of everything and hang it on here so the guys can just grab what they need.
Got the pipes up there. Got the fabric. That's fabric up there, right?
Yeah, that's fabric. This is pipes with holes, so we're gonna get some without holes. So it's for French drains. This is a deck over trailer that I got used and painted it, stained the boards, fixed it up.
There you go. Looks good.
This mess over here is like a mechanic that I rent space to. So it's really convenient having him. He works on stuff. He's painting a truck for us right now. So working back this way, this is where we park all the trailers. The one on the left, I think is a hydraulic leak in the hydraulic line is the reason why it's kind of
on the ground.
And then I have a carport in the back that we have some bagged material in, but we're gonna get pallets of concrete, mortar mix, and whatnot.
Oh, can't go that way.
Did I run away from you?
Yeah, I was trying to come through there. It's a little tight.
So this is where we're gonna put pallet bag material. I'm gonna get some of this stuff cleaned out, get some more pallets. This black dump trailer was my first trailer. It's just a big text. It's all right. And then I got the B-Wise trailer most recently, which I love just because that ramp on the back. So this is like a big, this whole door either folds down and you can load equipment on it, or it goes up if you want to dump it. So it's not good for brush, but for gravel and dirt, it's killer. And then also these sides fold down right here, so you can dump over the side with a minute. And everything's hydraulic on it. And then this bar right here is the net. So like you can cover your load. I guess it's lashed on the other side, but this whole thing goes up and over.
Okay.
And it's retractable.
This one has it too, but this doesn't have the bar, huh?
This one's the same. This is the same kind of. This is a B-Wise trailer, but this is the ultimate dump, so it's like not as nice of one. So it's still a solid trailer, but it just doesn't have the ramp on the back and the fold down side.
Right. Yeah.
And all the bells and whistles.
Yeah, for sure. Now we got a couple sea containers over there.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
So over there now. Slide you through here.
So in the back here, we'll just dump concrete, and then once there's enough, we'll just haul it out. This miscellaneous storage here. I got a trencher over here for the ditch witch. That thing's awesome too.
Got another tooth bucket. Yep.
If you're buying a mini skid, definitely get attachments. And you can roll right into the financing. You get a trencher attachment, hardly rake attachment. Those are probably the two best attachments that they have.
Yep.
I like the auger. I don't have one, but the auger to put trees or posts in is cool too. Here's some more pipes, some 6-inch pipe and some 4-inch schedule 40.
Bunch of wheelbarrows.
We do storage up top here, just some wood. My plan is I'm getting another sea container to put on top of that one, and then I want to put all my snow stuff in there. I got a plow and a seltzer, and I'm gonna get some more. There's my cousin's truck.
I just got miscellaneous tools in here.
Oh, yeah. Skipping by.
Yeah, skipping by the sea containers.
Hey, wait, I got a light in here I can turn on.
Ooh, fancy, yeah.
So one of the crews runs out of here. All of his hand tools are in here, but it's locked, so I can't get in there.
Compactors, hand tools, yep.
Yep. A lot of ladders. Why does one crew need so many ladders? I don't know.
Yeah. Why do they need all the blowers too?
Yeah. So, and then this is real cool. This is a block splitter. So when you're building like a sitting wall, if you have split face block, they usually don't come with corners. So you can put one block in there and it drops down and then it creates a split face on the edge. Nice, that's cool. So,
yeah. I have a couple of these Husky toolboxes. They're great.
Yep. My guys literally put little locks on it so no one takes their so other guys don't take their tools.
Yeah, this one's open. You can look in there.
Yeah, they're in watch front.
Miscellaneous tools.
This is everything, man. I mean, squares, little brooms, concrete tool.
Whatever you need.
So. And then, so this is one of my hardscape crews, and then one of my landscape crews, my only landscape crew, really, my softscape. They run out of here. Not as organized, but it's all right. Hand tools, another blower. This is an outdoor TV that we have extra because we ordered one. We ordered this one and it didn't have an Ethernet plug-in for like the internet.
Yeah.
So we had to order another one. So now we're stuck with an outdoor TV. So I don't know. I don't know what I should do with it. Maybe put it in my house.
Just got a bunch of miscellaneous things.
This is I've got a tent up here, so if it's raining a little bit, or like if we're working on something small in the rain, we can put that tent up and the guys can still work. If it's not a muddy mess, so maybe if we're doing a small masonry job or something. These are some signs up here. Backpack sprayer, rope for taking limbs down or small trees. Pole saw. This is awesome for putting in plants. Saves a lot of time. This little steel auger.
Yep. Some fertilizer and seed, pressure washer.
This pressure washer is freaking badass, dude. This thing has so much power.
Yeah, look at that. Demo saw, compactor, a bunch of other miscellaneous things.
Yep. That's that. Spot here, I ran out to my buddy. He does seal coating, so if you have like an old asphalt driveway and you want it to look nice, it's almost like paint, but for asphalt. So I don't really know how this works, but he does something with it and sprays the driveway. So, and he built his little tool shed here. But,
yep.
And here's a cliff. And it's very nice because Site 1 Landscape Supply is right on the other side of the valley. You can't see it, but there's a building over there. Yep. Very convenient for when we do need to go to the store and get stuff.
Yeah.
It's not far. This is where we store stuff here and there where there's just a small fire.
It's a firehouse, yeah.
The guys punch in and out over there on the side. the little hangers there on the edge, I used to have folders in there, but we've transferred from tracking job hours from paper to all on the tablets.
Yep.
So we use Builder Trend. We just started. It's awesome. And then this truck right here I just bought as a small little project. But we're starting like a power washing division. And this is my cousin right here. He's going to be running that. So we're going to get this all cleaned up, paint it, some diamond plate down here. We're going to do a vinyl wrap on the cab. I mean, the truck's a little rusty, but it's only got like 120,000 miles. And the interior is pretty clean. So, not too shabby. I like to buy the new stuff, but I mean, we don't really have any revenue coming in yet for the power washing, just a little bit, so we don't want to fork too much out for it.
Yep, for sure. And then here we got the tool trailer.
So this is another hardscape crew, which we can go inside there if you want.
All right.
There's tools, hardscape tools, ladder, I mean everything that you need. Everything that you possibly need. So he comes and hooks up to this trailer, or the truck's already hooked up to it, and then he leaves the shop gets here at 7, he's gone by 7:05 with the crew, if he doesn't need to load anything up. So there's a jumping jack in the back. The boys bring a microwave with them to heat up lunch, which is great. Funny. But yeah, everything he needs: hammer drill, laser level, grease gun, paint, anything. Home Depot on wheels, ladder, box of glue,
bunch of hand tools. We took the buckets here.
Yeah.
And now his bucket's gone.
We burned one bucket.
His bucket's there, yeah.
And then over here is temporarily stored. This is the plow and the salter that we have, that we actually got to use this one for a little bit, so I just stuck it out here for now. I had it under the carport there before. It's a 8.5-foot Snow Dog plow. The V plow, which the V plows are so awesome, it makes it a lot easier. And then just have this little tailgate spreader. Gets the job done.
Yep.
I got this trailer real cheap. Gonna paint it orange, of course, and then put boards down, but all the lights work, the brakes work. I'm gonna get new tires for it. This is a swing that came from somebody's house that I had it hung up here inside, but I don't know.
Good thing it wasn't hanging today.
Yeah, I know, right? And then I just got this snow push box, which we didn't really use. The last storm we didn't get enough snow to use it, but it should be really nice when we actually get an accumulation. I'm gonna paint it orange though.
Shocker. It goes on your skid steer, full-size skid steer, which is not here. So
yeah, and then I have a John Deere skid steer at the job.
And this is a F-250 2019.
It's a gas F-250. Here we had a small issue. The dumpster door swung open and hit the truck. So someone has to come here and finish it, but one of my guy's friends does body work, so he started on it but didn't have time to finish it. So he's gonna make it look nice, and then I'm gonna get the door painted. I mean, it's a brand new truck, I want to keep it looking good, so.
Yep. And you have one more pickup that's not here, right?
Yep, I have one pickup that's not here, and then I have the International roll-off, and then I have a 750, which actually we can go show you in a minute.
It's in there, yeah, so getting painted.
Yep, orange.
Orange,
and then
of course.
This is the office trailer that we got, which we can do a breeze through in here. Got electric, central heat and AC. Got Wi-Fi in here, man. I'm about to put a bed in here and just start sleeping. No, I'm just kidding. But this is where Danny, who does all the designs and sales, he works back here. He just hooks his computer up to that screen. I got a computer here for my dumpster driver, so when he gets orders, he can put it all on the computer, and the day before he can dispatch his route so he knows where he's going.
Yep.
We got these tablets for the guys, which is a work in process, but I mentioned Builder Trend. So they come in here. I put Harry Potter on here because one of my guys, they call him Harry Potter because he has glasses. So this is his tablet. So let me see if I can.
Sorry, we don't know how to work Samsung devices.
There we go, 0 So you open it up, and right here's the Builder Trend app, which I don't know if anything's gonna be on here or not. But that way, in the morning, the guys can come on here even the day before. They have to-dos for the day, the schedule coming up, daily logs. They upload photos. We can put messages in there. There's a time clock. They can punch in, they punch out, and then they can look at their schedule for upcoming jobs, which nothing's set on there right now, but So this hopefully is going to help systemize the business and make it a little bit easier versus just texting everybody like, oh, hey, here's the address for today. This is what you need. It's all already in there the day before and they can look at it.
Yep.
Random storage here. This is my office back here. Nothing special. So, nice little motivation on the wall. Some kind of boat out in the Caribbean.
Yeah.
Some cameras up in the top, which record. So I can, in case there's any issues, which we haven't had any issues.
Yep. Pretty cool.
So yeah.
We'll go check out the 750.
Let's do it. Let's go. So this is a 750 I picked up. It's a 2000, so it's older, but it only has like 80,000 miles on it. It's got the Cat C7 diesel. Right now, it's all sanded down and primed. These guys are painting the cab, or not the cab, the bed of it orange. They went over the whole truck. We changed out like the bearings and the leaf springs and some small stuff.
It's all taped up because they're painting it. Big truck though.
Yep. I can send you a picture of it when they're done. You can put it in the video.
All right, sounds good.
So yeah, I mean it's straightforward, but this truck is a beast. We brought this up to Pennsylvania, called snow with it. It drove all the way here, straight there, and was probably running for like 2 days straight there, and drove all the way home and didn't have any issues.
I mean, it's a huge bed too.
Yeah. That's big, and then so you can put one piece of wood on here, and he's gonna weld metal up, so we can put like two 2x12s. So we can haul gravel and dirt with it.
And it's already at least 6 foot tall.
Oh yeah. Yep.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If anybody wants to find you guys, where can they find you?
Find us on Instagram at Build Oasis, and then I did start a YouTube channel, just Alex Mushaw, but you can put that in here so they can see it.
Okay, yeah, I'll leave a link down below. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions, leave them down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Aiden Landscaping.
Peace.
Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.